Hello! Today Isa and I are out collecting data from some tree dendrometers.
Dendrometers are tree girth bands that are used to measure the circumference of a tree. In this case, an oak tree.
So this project is led by Forest Research and we at Groundwork are partaking in this study here at the Wallington Estate in Northumberland. Here we are measuring the growth rate of 3 species, including oak, beech and sycamore.
So there are two types of dendrometer, manual and automatic. This bottom dendrometer is a manual dendrometer, which consists of a tree girth band, a metal spring and a vernier scale, which is the scale we use to measure the changes in tree circumference.
This is a close-up of a vernier scale, which is the scale that we use to measure tree circumference on a manual dendrometer. In order to read the scale, we firstly look at the larger scale. We can see that the left edge of the vernier is between 41 and 42. Then we look at the smaller individual lines on the larger scale, where we can see that the left edge of the vernier is between 41.7 and 41.75. Finally, to get the exact circumference, we find the first closest alignment of a line on the vernier scale to a line on the main band. In this case, it would be 2. The final reading would therefore be 41.72.
This upper dendrometer is an automatic dendrometer, which consists of a steel band and an automatic sensor. This automatic dendrometer records the data digitally. Both dendrometers need to be securely attached to the tree trunk to measure even the smallest of changes in tree circumference.
So throughout the Wallington Estate we have fitted 10 of these manual dendrometers and 1 of the automatic dendrometers per species. This gives us a representative sample size for this woodland parcel. So this is a long-term study and the dendrometers will remain on the trees for as long as possible. We will then come out and take measurements at regular intervals, and this will give us an understanding of how the trees are responding to climatic events such as droughts or heavy rainfall periods. Hopefully the data that Groundwork and the project's other participants are collecting will contribute to the wider national picture of how trees are responding to climate change, and this will fill in the existing knowledge gap.
So this is how we use dendrometers to measure changes in tree circumference in response to climate change.
Thank you for watching our video.